Good day, grade 10s. Can you please take out your tourism textbooks and workbooks? As you can all see, today's topic is map work and tour planning. Location of the following on a color map of South Africa. This is a color map of South Africa indicating all the provinces in different colors. Can anyone explain to me why is map work important in planning tours? Yes, Nobile.
Because the maps shows where all the places are in Africa.
So, to bother your explanation, Nobile, map work involves studying and interpreting maps to understand geographical features, location, and distances. It helps in navigating and planning routes. Tour planning is the process of planning travel, taking into account elements such as location, accommodation, modes of transport, and activities to provide a well-organized travel schedule. Okay, we've explained why map work is important in tour planning. Let's carry on to the next topic, which is South African borders. Can anyone explain what a South African border is? Okay, South African borders is a division line which separates a country or an area. So, can anyone name the countries that border South Africa? Yes, Amahle.
Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Namibia.
Yes.
Mozambique.
Yes.
Lesotho. And Swaziland.
Botswana, and K. They have to be 6 though. Okay, so it's Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Swaziland, and Lesotho. But that's very good. Let's all clap for Amahle. Okay, moving on is the provinces of South Africa. How many provinces does South Africa have? I'm all sure you all know this. Let's just shout it out.
9.
Good. Can we name the provinces?
Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Northern Cape, Eastern Cape, Free State, Limpopo, Northwest KwaZulu-Natal, Western Cape.
That's good. Let's give yourself a round of applause. Then South Africa has capital cities. Yes.
Can I please name them?
You're more than welcome to name them.
Pretoria.
Yes.
Cape Town.
Yes.
And Bloemfontein.
Good. That's good. Okay, we have 3 capital cities in South Africa, and as she mentioned, it's Pretoria, Bloemfontein, and Cape Town. Thank you so much for naming them. Then we have international airports. International airports serve as an important centers for international travel between countries. They are essential to international travel and trade because they make it easier for people and things to move around borders. And then we have the major international ports, which is King Shaka International Port, Cape Town, and OR Tambo International Airport. Our country has harbors. South Africa's major harbors are crucial for trade and tourism. South African harbors, and they are significant. We have the Port of Durban. This port is managing nearly all of South Africa's imports and export. It is the busiest port in Africa and an important entry port for trade in the area. Then we have the Port of Cape Town. Located in the southernmost part, it is important in making trade possible between Europe and Americas. And then we have the port of Richards Bay, well known for its cone export. This harbour plays an important part in the mining sector of South Africa and greatly boosts the nation's GDP. So, as I mentioned, we have 3 harbours in South Africa, which is the Port of Durban, Port of Cape Town, and Port of Richards Bay. We also have national highways. National highways connect our major city and provinces. Can anyone name our national highways?
R573.
Yes. N1, N2, and your R21s. Okay, that's good. Those are your national highways of South Africa. Then we have gateways. Gateways are crucial entry point for trade and travel. This is where people enter when they want to travel into South Africa and trade into South Africa. Moving on to major mountains, South Africa is home to a stunning mountain range. The mountain range in South Africa is the Drakensberg Mountain, Table Mountain, Southern Paardeberg Mountains. The Drakensberg Mountain, as we all know, is located in KwaZulu-Natal. Table Mountains, which are in Cape Town, and the Southernberg Mountains are in the southern part of South Africa. The last thing we're going to talk about today is the rivers and dams of South Africa. Can anyone name the rivers and the dams of South Africa?
Vaal River, Orange River, I forgot the last one.
Okay, we can say Tugela rivers. The rivers and dams of South Africa are a lot. We have over 500 government dams, so there are many. It's an endless list. And then, what activities can we do?
Can we swim? Can we fish?
Okay, the activities differs in the dams and the rivers, but there's always a board noticing you if you can swim, if you can fish. And that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for paying attention in today's lesson. And then in your textbooks, please go to page 57 and 58. Those are the notes for today. And you're going to write them as homework. And then in page 58 is your classroom activity, which is going to be your homework. Thank you.